Concentration on respiration. Anapanasati. Anapanasati is mindfulness on respiration. Ana means inhalation and apana, exhalation. Concentration on the breathing process leads to one-pointedness of the mind, and ultimately to insight, which enables one to attain sainthood or arahantship. The Buddha also practiced concentration on respiration before he attained enlightenment. This harmless concentration may be practiced by any person, irrespective of religious beliefs. Adopting a convenient posture, keep the body erect. Place the right hand over the left hand. Eyes may be closed or half closed. Easterners generally sit cross-legged with the body erect. They sit placing the right foot on the left thigh and the left foot on the right thigh. This is the full position. Sometimes they adopt the half position, that is by simply placing the right foot on the left thigh or the left foot on the right thigh. When the triangular position is assumed, the whole body is well balanced. Those who find the cross-legged posture too difficult may sit comfortably in a chair or any other support, sufficiently high to rest the legs on the ground. It is of no importance which posture one may adopt, provided the position is easy and relaxed. The head should not be drooping. The neck should be straightened, so that the nose may be in a perpendicular line with the navel. Buddhists usually adopt the full lotus position. They sit with half-closed eyes, looking not more than a distance of 3.5 feet. Before the practice, bad air from the lungs should be breathed out slowly through the mouth, and then the mouth should be closed. Now inhale through the nostrils normally, without strain, without force. Mentally count 1. Exhale through the nostrils and count 2. Inhale and count 3. Count up to 10, constantly concentrating on the breathing process, without thinking of anything else. While doing so, one's mind may wander, but one need not be discouraged. Gradually one may increase the number of series, say 5 series of 10. Later, one may inhale and pause for a moment, concentrating merely on inhalation without counting. Exhale and pause for a moment. Thus inhale and exhale, concentrating on respiration. Some prefer counting as it aids concentration, while others prefer not to count. What is essential is concentration, and not counting, which is secondary. When one practices this concentration, one feels very peaceful, light in mind and body. After practicing for a certain period, a day might come when one may realize that this so-called body is supported by mere breath, and that body perishes when breathing ceases. One fully realizes impermanence. Where there is change, there cannot be a permanent entity or an immortal soul. Insight can then be developed to attain arahantship. It is clear that the object of this concentration on respiration is not merely to gain one-pointedness, but also to cultivate insight, to obtain deliverance from suffering. In some discourses, this simple and harmless method of respiration is described as follows. Mindfully he inhales, mindfully he exhales. 1. When making a long inhalation, he knows, I make a long inhalation. When making a long exhalation, he knows, I make a long exhalation. 2. When making a short inhalation, he knows, I make a short inhalation. When making a short exhalation, he knows, I make a short exhalation. 3. Clearly perceiving the entire breathing process, that is, the beginning, middle, and end, I will inhale, thus he trains himself. Clearly perceiving the entire breathing process, I will exhale, thus he trains himself. 4. Calming the respirations, I will inhale, thus he trains himself. Calming the respirations, I will exhale, thus he trains himself.